Welcome back to Passionate About RC. I'm going to do a quick unboxing with the Traxxas Land Rover Defender. Check the serial number and double check everything on the car is okay before we sell it. Everything's looking good. Okay, so first we can check the steering. The diff locks. So all the servos are working. And the high speed and low speed servo. Okay, and then the throttle reaction. Forwards. Reverse. Everything's working fine. It's in low voltage detection mode already, which the green light's on. Everything's good. What we'll also do is just double check for steering alignment, trim. So we've got a bit of trim either way here. Make sure that you can go either side of the trim. Try and get that as aligned as possible, and then check for your endpoints. See, I could probably just slightly adjust that endpoint. So to adjust the endpoint, we're going to hit the menu button for a few seconds. And I've got a trusty display up here which is going to allow me to make sure I get to it. So it's one flash is the multifunction knob, two flash, so you need to press menu one more time, two flashes on the green, press the set, that comes across to here on the steering channel, press again press the set button again, that's going to then come across here. And then we're going to press the menu button, I believe, twice. 1, 2. So we should have 3 blinks on the red. 2, 3. Okay. And then what we're going to do is just turn the car around so I can see what's going on. And we're going to be watching the adjustments here. So when these mechanical endpoints hit this here, we're going to make sure they stop. We're going to turn to the right first, hit the set button, and then turn to the left. So to the right, stop at that mechanical endpoint there, press the set button, flashing green, all the way to the left, finish at that mechanical endpoint there, hit the button, release. Now in theory, if that's all worked correctly, those endpoints will stay at the full travel of the steering now, which it does. So there's no stress on that servo at your full locks either side, which is what you want, and that's how you're going to hopefully save your servos even more than usual. and then hold the menu button down a couple of seconds more. Green light's back, so that's finished your programming. So you're full left, no stress on that servo whatsoever. Full right, again no stress on that servo whatsoever. It's perfect, just how you want the car to be. And there you go, everything's good. I'm going to quickly just check the body over. I'm not going to do that on camera, but that's what we do with every single car. We double check everything before we sell it. That'd be good to go. Always, again, disconnect the battery. Disconnect, don't worry about switching off here, just pull the leads, make sure they're disconnected, and that way you'll know you've disconnected the battery and not going to drain it. And then off with the radio. Everything's looking good on this car. We've checked everything over, set the endpoints as well, so it saves the customer having to do it, or maybe not getting to do it because they don't know how. But that's all good to go. So I'm going to get that packed back in the box. Make sure she's back in good. So there you have it. It's all ready to be listed online and sold. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope to see you next time.